Now we're going to show you the icon rotation function by creating a speedometer. First, we need a picture with the meter panel. Choose the rotate icon function. Click and choose the center of the panel. Set the variable memory address as 0012 and initial value 0. Then we will select the icon file to choose the pointer and select the point center. Starting and ending value will set the range of the meter. Here we can set as 0 to 700 or 0 to 70. And starting or termination angle means the position of the pointer when the value reaches the lower or upper limit. The unit here is 0.5 degree. After calculation, we know the starting angle will be 35 degrees and 325 degrees. So the value here is 70 and 650. By testing, we can input a data entry function to do the test. We can also directly send the value to the memory address we have.